In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images side by side in Constant Contact. So let's get started with creating visually appealing email content using Constant Contact. To begin, open your web browser and search for Constant Contact. Once you're on the search results page, click on the link to access the official site. This will lead you to the Constant Contact homepage. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. So look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and hit Enter, or click the login button to proceed. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to create one before moving forward. After logging in, you'll be on your dashboard, which may look a little busy, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through everything. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Create button. This will initiate the creation of a new campaign or email. You'll see various template options, but for this tutorial, we want to start with a clean slate, so click on Start from Blank. This option gives us the freedom to customize every element of our email, including the image layout, which is our focus today. Now let's move on to adding the images side by side. Look for the Layouts section on your left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find various predefined layouts, and for our purpose, select the one that allows two or more images to be placed side by side. This dragging option makes it incredibly easy to adjust the structure of your email with minimal clicks, so go ahead and drag that layout into your email draft. Once you've added the layout, click on the newly added block to start customizing it. You'll notice a Replace button. Click on it. This action will open your image library, including any photos you've uploaded to your Constant Contact account. Choose an image that you want to display in your email by clicking on it. When you've selected your desired image, find the Insert button and click it to place the image into your layout. Now that you've inserted your first image, just repeat the same process to upload a second image in the adjacent block. So again, click on Replace, select your next image, and then click on Insert. And there you have it. Your images are now side by side, ready to captivate your audience with their fine arrangement. And that's it. Take some time to preview your email to ensure everything looks just the way you like it. You're now equipped to make your emails more engaging and visually appealing by placing images side by side in Constant Contact. This kind of formatting makes your content stand out and can significantly improve how your recipients engage with your emails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.